Good morning everyone, this is Enzo from Big Bite Adventures, today in Tilburg. Tilburg is known for the textile industry, many musea and of course home base of fantasy amusement park, the Efteling. Which is not on our schedule for today, but we keep it in mind for another time. Today I have some very cool and unique places that I want to share with you, with some typical food from Tilburg and some less typical food from Tilburg. So yeah, let's do that. The first stop of our tour is Lunchcafé Nieuwland. Lunchcafé Nieuwland is a very nice place, nice decorated inside with lots of plants, and it just gives a real home feeling. You can go there for lunch or breakfast, and the thing that stood out for me was their motto. The motto is that you have to do what you love to do in life and follow your heart, which is something I resonate with a lot, and I do it more and more lately. This is also the reason I am creating these videos, and I just believe that when you follow your heart, when you follow that warm gut feeling, even in the moment it doesn't feel like it, but there's always bliss on the other side. Lunchcafé Nieuwland should be here at our right side. Here it is. Hey, okay. Place looks very chill. Hello, good morning. Can I just take a seat? Yes, just take a seat. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna take this seat here at the window. With a nice view over Tilburg. Amazing. Okay, so we have our menu. The thing that stood out for me was the pistachio latte, which is probably amazing, but the hot apple pie is with warm apple juice, cinnamon, whipped cream. Usually I will never order apple juice, but it looks very wild, so that's the reason I will try it. And to eat, you also have lemonade, soft drinks, juices, coffees, the whole package. To eat, you have granola, bread pudding, toast, muesli, scones, bagels, sandwiches, flatbread, and I think I will just ask for a recommendation because I like to get surprised with my food, so let's do that.
Hi.
Okay, hey. To drink, I'm gonna take the hot apple pie.
Yes, and do you want
It sounds very wild, so I'm gonna take that.
You want the liquor in it?
Is it usually served with liquor or?
What you want?
Sure, why not?
Yeah?
Why not?
Nice.
Okay. And to eat, do you recommend something? Something more to the savory side?
Savory.
Salty side?
Salty, yeah.
Yeah.
This one is my personal favorite, but this one is everyone's favorite here. It's the most chosen meal.
That's with sourdough bread. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one.
Yeah? Okay.
Cook rundown.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So we have our hot apple pie, which literally looks like apple juice with cream on it, but I'm very curious to try it. Also have a little biscuit. So, not sure how I will do this. I think I will start with some cream first. I didn't expect that. It tastes like apple juice, but it's a very good combination with the cinnamon, the cream. I really like it. Damn. And of course, the biscuit, should I soak it in the apple juice? Is that weird? But yeah, maybe yes, but I love to soak my biscuits, so why not?
Here it is.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy.
Thanks. So we have the food, which is a krok rendang with sourdough bread, rendang mature cheese, rendang and mature cheese, spring onion, fried egg, chili oil, and mango curry sauce, which sounds very special. And I like very special things, so let's try it. So yeah, before we try it, you're gonna take a closer look. It smells as amazing as it looks. How will I do this? I think I will just... No, I'm not gonna eat this with my hands, I'm just gonna slice it in the middle. Oh wow. Okay, you just have to see this. So you can see like you have the bread and there's like a lot of meat. It's like some sort of stew between it. We have the egg on top, the sauce, the onions. This, wow, the smell is unbelievable. So let's try it. First, I'm gonna try the meat. Cheers. Super tender. Has like what do I taste? Like lemongrass taste in it, which I love. I'm gonna try the whole thing. Wow. There's so much flavor. The meat, the spices, the sauce, the egg, and it's sourdough bread, which is also a big bonus. So many flavors. I thought this was like just a normal krok, but it's like super special with all these flavors and all these things on top. The meat, perfect. We also have like the egg yolk, which I didn't touch yet, so I'm just gonna let it fall all over the meat and everything, and yeah.
Was allemaal lekker geweest voor jou?
It was very good.
Ja? Oh, great. De appelpie en de krok rendang.
I was a little bit scared of the apple pie, the warm apple pie, but it was surprisingly good.
Ja, okay, perfect.
Okay. Okay, thank you. No, it's okay. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye. Thank you. Okay, so that was Lunchcafé Nieuwland. The warm apple pie. I will definitely try that again if I ever see it on a menu somewhere, because I have never seen it before. But yeah, it was very good. The food was also very good. And now we are going to our next stop, which is Bakery Floor van Lieshout. And Bakery Floor van Lieshout has something typical from Tilburg, which is a Tuper Tucher. And a Tuper Tucher is basically like a square pastry made of crushed almonds and hazelnut with chocolate. And the name itself, Tuper Tucher, comes from the French, which means without limitations. And as we know, the only limitations we humans have are the ones that we create inside our own minds. So yeah, food for thought. We have arrived at Bakery Floor van Lieshout, which you can see right there. Alright, let's go in. Hello, good morning.
Goedemorgen.
I'm looking for a Tuper Tucher.
Tuper Tucher, yeah, no.
Oh, okay, that's the reason.
I can,
That's the reason I am here.
Yes.
Do you have like something else typical from Tilburg?
Iets typisch Tilburgs, ja. Deze. Dit is een Tilburgs koekske.
Tilburgs koekske.
Tilburgs koekske. Of bonus met room.
Oké.
Kijk, was nog meer iets typisch Tilburgs. Ja, worstenbrood, maar dat is Brabants. Dat is breder, niet specifiek Tilburgs.
Not something like this is Tilburg, no?
Ja, dat is Tilburgs koekske is dan...
I'm gonna try the Tilburgs koekske.
Ja, Tilburgs koekske.
It's just like some sort of biscuit or...
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna try it,
Someone else?
Yeah, that's it.
4,75.
It's with card, please. Okay.
Kast ik het?
It's okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Have a beautiful day. Bye bye. Okay. So the Tuper Tucher was sold out, which is quite a bummer because I was looking so much forward to it. We have this what was it called again? Tilburgs kekske, I think. Koekske, Tilburgs koekske. So we're gonna try that. I really want to try the Tuper Tucher, so I'm gonna look if there's not another bakery that's selling them. If it's really typical Tilburg, then it should. So yeah, first let us try the Tilburgs koekske. Tilburg koekske, which is basically a biscuit with the thee, I believe, from Tilburg. So yeah, let's try it. I have to say, it's just a biscuit, but it's a very good biscuit. Very crunchy, very tasteful. Lots of sugar. I like it, but it's not a Tuper Tucher, and I am here for a Tuper Tucher, so I will find a Tuper Tucher. Let's go! And suddenly our food tour has turned into a quest to find a Tuper Tucher. And okay, here is another bakery, so let's see. Hello, good morning.
Goedemorgen. De deur gaat vanzelf dicht.
Do you have a Tuper Tucher?
Nee.
No? Okay, alright. Thank you. Okay. Again, no Tuper Tucher. So, off to the next one. Here is another bakery. Let's see if they have a Tuper Tucher here. They do have like very good things. That's a fact. Hello. Do you have a Tuper Tucher?
Nee.
Nee? Okay. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Again, no Tuper Tucher. But we don't give up. On to the next bakery. And of course, we stay hydrated the whole time with some water and electrolytes. It's crazy how many oliebolkramen you see here in the Netherlands, which is not on our schedule for today. This here, a couple meters further, we have another Floor van Lieshout bakery right here. And if they don't have a Tuper Tucher, we will change the plans. I have some other things in mind, but yeah, let's see. Hello, good morning.
Hoi.
Hey, hello. I am looking for a Tuper Tucher.
Yes.
Oh, okay, nice. This is a Tuper
Yes.
Tucher? Yes, one of this, please.
One?
I am looking for it the whole day.
Oh, you mean it.
Yeah, so I'm very excited to see it here.
Found it. Ah,
Thank you.
you tried it before?
Never.
No? Oh.
That's one of the reasons I am in Tilburg. I want to
Yeah?
try like all the specialties of Tilburg today, so this is on my list.
Ah, okay. $2.95, please.
It's with the card, please.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You made my day.
Bye.
Bye bye. Ciao. Bye bye. Okay. So I'm very happy at this moment because we have our Tuper Tucher, and now I will be looking for a bench. So yeah, no oliebollen for today. I'm sorry guys and girls. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Here we have, straight out of Tilburg, a Tuper Tucher. It looks amazing. So how will we eat this? I will just, you can really see like the layers with chocolate and nuts and the chocolate on top. So this will be so amazing. Alright, a Tuper Tucher. Cheers. Oh wow. I think there is meringue also in it, not sure, but it tastes like this. Or almond biscuit. If I could rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, honestly, my opinion, 9.5, because I don't believe in perfection, but this is very close. Top. That was our Tuper Tucher. Was it worth the quest? For me personally, yes. Because I am a big sweet tooth. I love sweets, and yeah, for me it was worth the quest. And now, this morning it was like very cold, but now the sun is shining and it's a very beautiful day. So we're gonna walk towards our next destination. Our next destination is a very unique spot, which is laid opposite the north side of the train station. And why is it such a unique spot? Because yeah, the place is called De Wagon, Restaurant De Wagon. And the restaurant itself is made out of 2 train wagons from the year 1900, so over 100 years ago. And yeah, I just believe that's a very unique concept. If the food is good, I have no idea, but we will find out right now. Here it is, De Wagon, which looks super cool. think the entrance is like this way. Lucky, yeah.
Hi.
Hey, hello. So you are now on the train. I really feel like I'm on a train right now. Hello. Hey. I have a reservation for one person. Yeah, sure.
Third table on the right, for you.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. As you can see, we are on the train. It literally feels like I'm on a train right now that's about to head off. And we have our menu, so let's take a look at that. You're here for a lunch, but online I saw they have like first dishes, main dishes and dessert. It's like the first dish is like the first station, second dish, second station, and the dessert is the end station. I know it's in Dutch, so you will not, most of the people will not understand this. I will go for a hot lunch, warme lunchgerechten, hot lunch. And, just plain water, please. And parelhoen, I have no idea how you say that in English, but it's like some sort of chicken. Gewoon patatje stoof. Also no idea what that is. Kabeljauw is fish. I have pokeball and sweet things, of course. And yeah, I'm not gonna go through the whole menu. I think we will just go for warm patatje stoof, which is with caramelized onion, and homemade achar, which I also don't know what that is, but I'm just gonna go for it. Thank you, appreciate it. Can I get warm patatje?
Meat or vegan?
With meat, yes, thank you. So we have our drinks, we ordered our food, so yeah, let's explore the train, I would say. Okay, so we have our food, which looks very good. We have like the fries, the stew on top, some vegetables, the sauce. Looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, let's try this. First, let's start with some meat. Tastes a bit like stoofvlees as we have in Belgium, but different. It's like not with chunks of meat, but more like bready, or I don't know how to say it. It's very good. And the fries. The fries are also pretty good, crunchy. And the sauce, no idea what sauce this is, but take some of the vegetables, the stew, the fry, and dip it in the sauce, whatever the sauce is. So as you can see, it's like a good big dish. It's like a lot of meat on it, and in combination with the sauce, it tastes absolutely amazing.
Ik zou niet dan zeggen,
And just where we are, the place itself is an experience itself. You're literally eating on a train from 1900. We finished our dish, patatje stoof, I think it was called. And now we're gonna pay the bill and go to our next destination.
Did you enjoy the lunch?
It was very good, thank you. And just the train itself, it's a nice experience.
A little bit different than usual.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wi-Fi is just as slow as the trains.
No problem, I have time.
How was the video? Was it good?
Yeah, it was very good, very good.
€19.50.
Okay, thank you. Alright, have a beautiful day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, ciao. Okay. So, this was De Wagon, where I had a very good lunch. And now we go to the next stop for a little dessert. I say little because it's really a little dessert. Our last stop for today, which is Huize Geers. Huize Geers is a chocolate shop, and it's the 4th generation family business. I think, if I'm correct, from the year 1937. And what makes the shop so special? Because they have something which is typical from Tilburg, which is a schrobbeler bonbon. A schrobbeler bonbon is a praline, a chocolate, with schrobbeler and chocolate, of course. And schrobbeler, what is schrobbeler? Schrobbeler is a typical liquor that they made here in Tilburg, made out of 43 herbs. So they added the liquor to the praline, and yeah, we have to test that out, so let's go. From where we are walking now, it's like 20 minutes to Huize Geers, and yeah, we are walking like a lot today. In the video you just see me go from point A to point B, but we literally are walking for hours. And what was I about to say? Yes, so honestly, I'm not a big fan of liquor or yeah, just alcohol in my praline and my chocolate, but it's a typical thing from Tilburg, and this is a food video of Tilburg, so we have to try that. And yeah, I'm actually quite curious if I will like it or not. So let's see. 20 minutes later, we are now walking at the harbor of Tilburg. You see all these boats, and that is not what we are. That is not why we are here. But on the opposite of the road, we have Huize Geers. So yeah, let's go in. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I heard you have something very special. The schrobbeler bonbon.
Yeah,
Okay, that's why I'm here actually.
this one. You can buy a piece or 6, 12.
Can I get like 4 of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, no problem. Is there something else like you can recommend me, something very good that you make here?
Yeah, almost everything.
Then surprise me. 4 other pieces,
Yeah.
and you can surprise me.
Okay.
Yeah, it all looks very good.
Chocolate. Nice. So these are with liquid inside, yeah, so watch out. This is something typical for the period of the year.
Okay.
It's Bostplaat.
Okay, I will try it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can give me some of that.
Extremely delicious.
Okay, now I have to try it.
There you go.
Okay,
That's it for you.
thank you.
Yeah. Do we need to gift wrap it?
No,
Gift
I'm
wrap?
gonna
No?
eat it straight away.
$7.90.
Okay,
There you go. Let's see here.
okay, thank you.
Yes.
All right.
Receipt?
No, it's okay.
No.
Okay, thank you. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye. Okay, we have our schrobbler bonbons and some other stuff also, which we are gonna try straight away. Huize Geers. Okay, so we have our schrobbler bonbons, which are these four, and then the other things, which I have no idea what it is. It looks like chocolate, but I'm not sure if it's... I don't think it's pure chocolate, but we will try it. So, starting with the one and only schrobbler bonbon. It looks very good, so let's try it. You can really see the liquor. The chocolate is amazing. I said I'm not such a fan of liquor in my chocolate, in my praline, but it's perfect. You taste the liquor, but it's not too much. There's also something very crunchy in it. Yeah, I like it. I really like it. And now the other things. I'll take the half of this one. So yeah, it looks like chocolate, but we'll see. It's not chocolate. Or is it? It reminds me like marzipan, but with chocolate. Oh wow. This one is like very good. Now the other one, the golden one. Same, also like marzipan, but this one tastes like coffee. Oh wow. I've never eaten something like this before, but I will definitely eat it again if I see it somewhere. So yeah, Huize Geers, a must-go place when you are in Tilburg. You can see it there. And from Huize Geers we are standing to the end of this video. I had a very good time. I tried some foods I hadn't tried before, which is always a bonus for me. My personal favorite was the last thing, the chocolate marzipan thingy from Huize Geers, but also the Tuper Tucher, which is just a must when you are here in Tilburg, and the Wagon. When I am with friends or with family in Tilburg, I will definitely go back to the Wagon, because yeah, eating on a train is just a must-do experience when you have the chance to do it. So yeah, I had a really fulfilling day, and yeah, thank you all for watching. Thanks to the businesses, and if you aren't subscribed yet, take the step, press the button, and yeah, see you all in the next video. Ciao guys and girls, ciao.